In front of me I have one of the new electric skateboards for 2019, and this one is the Leafboard Plus. What you can expect from a so small electric skateboard. If you want to know everything about this one, stay tuned after the intro. Hi everyone, Marcus here from Edpack, and like I promised to you guys, I'm bringing back this little boy, this Leafboard Plus, to the channel because the first video was just an unboxing. So if you want to see this one a little bit closer and all the details, I recommend to see the video that I've done of the unboxing of this one. It will be on the cards in the description below. Why I love so much this one, and this one have a very special place in my heart. And I go outside, I take this one, and hell yeah, it's so good to have this one at home. So let's talk about the control, and I have to tell you guys that I really like this one. First of all, the feeling of it is good. You have this space here where you are going to put your fingers so the control always sit in the same place on your hand. The response of it is good. It's not the best response that I had until today. I have to tell you guys that is the Raleigh Carbon 80. If you want to know a little bit more about this one, I'll leave in the cards in the description below. Something that happens if you are completely stopped, and because it's just one motor, you can feel it that is struggling to start, but after that you have a very powerful motor here. Don't worry, you can go up hills with this without any problems. The full speed that you have here, we are talking about 27 kilometers per hour, at least for me that I have 65 kilos, and I can do a range of 10 kilometers. And the most impressive thing is that in 1 hour you have a fully charged of these electric skateboards, because the battery that you have inside this one, yeah, if you see, it seems that you don't have anything, but inside the deck you have a battery of 5000 milliamp hours, and around 1 hour is completely charged. Another thing that I really like is when you are charging and you turn on the control, it's going to tell you how much percentage is missing to have a fully charged Leafboard Plus. It's so lightweight. If you see it, it's really easy to grab it because it's really light. So if you are searching for a solution that is light, this one is the solution. And before I start riding this one, I have to tell you guys that I was really scared. And why? Because in January I had a massive accident reviewing the Slick Revolution Flex C. So that's why for me braking is so important. Another thing that is important to let you know, if you are thinking to buy the Leafboard Plus, I found a way to offer to you guys $100 in goodies. So basically, whatever is the promotion they are running on their website and the offers, on top of it, if you use the link that is in the description below, they will send to you 2 extra grip tapes, 1 extra set of bearings, 1 extra set of bushings, and an extra charger. It will not appear on the checkout, but you will receive that using the link on the description below. I was really scared to put my feet on top of it because the board is so small, and I thought that I will just, when I need to brake, I will just fly outside of this board. But I have to tell you that it doesn't happen. So the brakes, they are in this soft way, okay, so they are quite soft. I would like that they will be a little bit stronger, but I understand because your feet are much closer to each other. If the brakes they are stronger, maybe you will fall. But they have already a solution. They have released a new version of the Leafboard Plus. It's a little bit darker, but it goes slightly faster, and the control is more responsive when you try to brake. I never had any issues with this one. The only time that I fall is when I was passing the streets from one side to the other. One of the wheels, they get stuck there, so because of that I fall out of the Leafboard Plus. So it's normal, it's a very small electric skateboard. They are street tires, so that will happen obviously. What I have to tell you guys, I love the kicktail. The kicktail is really good. It gives you more security when you try to accelerate because your feet will be here on the corner, and also if you want to change direction, that is very helpful. And if you want just to lift up, you put your feet here and you will be able to grab your skateboard. I would like to have the possibility to have some protections on the corners, so when you lift, or if for any reason you hit with the tail on the floor, you are not going to damage the deck. So something that I'm thinking to make for the next generation, that I can talk a lot about it, but it's coming something new. If you want to know a little bit more, just subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you for the next videos. When we talk about stability, the bushings that you have in these ones, they are impressive. So you don't feel anything. Even if you catch a hole, the board is really stable, so you don't have basically any speed wobbles on this one, and that is incredible. Since I have this one and I'm stressed for any reason, when I arrive home, I leave my Z10, I pick this one and I go here around the neighborhood and I just curve. And when we talk about curving with this one, my god, is a pleasure, man. It's so soft. The wheels, they are impressive. The bearings that you have, they are really good. It's so smooth, and when you want to curve, you feel in control. I can't explain. I really thought that a so small electric skateboard was impossible to feel so much in control. That's why I like so much. Another thing that I really like is these red lights on the back, and when you brake, they get stronger, so the cars will be able to see you, guys on the bicycles, whatever. The protections of the belts, they are in metal. The wheels are good. I was concerned in the other video, like I told you guys, the charging port, and when you close it, it stays in place, it never come out. And I have already done, like I told you guys, more than 200 miles on top of it. Top speeds 27 kilometers per hour, range 10 kilometers, is a bit waterproof, so if it starts raining, don't worry so much. The grip tape has been really good, it's really grippy, and I really like the design of it, like you can see here. I love the fact that to recharge this, you just need basically 1 hour to do an extra 10 kilometers. So imagine you go somewhere, you had lunch, you connect to the plug wherever you are, you recharge your electric skateboard, and you came out. You need to recharge your phone, you have a USB port. You need to recharge your control, you have a USB port. And the control, by the way, it comes with USB-C. I don't know what I can say more about this one. Before you go, my name is Marco, this is MadPack. If it's your first time here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment below, smash the thumbs up, do whatever you want, but always with a smile on your face, and I hope to see you in the next one.